What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Do you have a leaky faucet? If your bathroom faucet is like mine, there's no obvious place to remove it, but you're going to need one of these little new stems here. First thing you're going to have to do, turn off the water. Then you're going to need a towel and a wrench to loosen the stem under the handle. After you unscrew the stem, you can use the same wrench and towel to unscrew the nut that's right under that. Use 2 flat blades to pry up the old stem, and then you can go ahead and pull the old stem straight up out of it. Put a little lubricant on the new stem. You can use Vaseline in a pinch. Line up the notch and push it back in. You can go ahead and screw on the nut right after that. Use a wrench to tighten it up. You may need a needle nose to line up the stem with the handle before you push the handle back on and tighten it back up. Once you tighten the handle back up, you can go ahead and turn the water back on. If you're not sure if the leak is caused by the hot stem or the cold stem, I'd change them both out. Not that hard. Leave the questions and comments down below.